Hey guys, it's Chris here, and I got this massager on Amazon, and it is the Taotronics. It's like one of those gun things, and I got it for 95 bucks. So it just came in the mail. Let's check it out. So this is the Taotronics massage gun. It's gonna be really cool. I saw the reviews on it, and it's supposedly physical therapists use it. It's a pretty professional tool. And there are other companies available for this, but I went with Taotronics just because I've worked with them in the past and their quality control seems pretty good. And you have a little nice packaging case. And let's look at what's inside. And that's pretty cool. You have a booklet that has a lot of trigger points for therapy, which is very useful. I will definitely be reading up on this to see what kind of places I can use this gun at. And a manual. So this is the Taotronics TT-PCA003. Now, a couple reasons I got this. It has a touch panel at the back. It has many different options. It also comes with many different heads. So you can see all the heads we got. And it has a power brick for the charging. And this is the unit itself. It's a dark blue, so it's pretty nice. And it's pretty big. Definitely bigger than my wrist. So holding this is going to be a hefty piece of device. But inside it has a lot of batteries inside, so it can last a long time. And I believe each battery is 2600 milliamp hours. So I don't know how many batteries on here, but you can do that times maybe 4. There's the touch panel right there where you can control the speed. And you have here where you have to put in attachments. So attachments should go straight on. And it seems like it does. I just pushed it in, took it out, and it comes off very easily. So, let's see if there's battery. Let's put a attachment. Let's turn this on. We do have a green ring here, and the back does turn on. So, if we press on, it starts. It's at level 1. Level 1's a pretty good one. It's actually not that strong at all. Pretty nice. Let's go to the highest one. Level 10. So that's level 10. Let's try level 1 again. And I believe this is the battery life, so maybe the battery life is at a 9. So it comes fairly well charged. And going against my back, ooh, that feels okay. All right. So you just press the power again, and then there's a switch right here to kill the device. So if I do that, that ring goes off. That was a quick unboxing of it. You get a lot of attachments as well as the device, and the power brick plugs in right there. Thank you guys for watching the quick unboxing. Stay tuned for the review, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So you get 6 attachments to device and the charger. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future content. Like the video if you did, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.